Tim Latham from Ray White and welcome to 59 King Road, Hornsby. This character-drenched 4-bedroom residence, sitting on over 1,100 square metres of land, offers a convenient location, privacy, multiple indoor and outdoor living options, and from the moment you walk through the front door, you're going to feel right at home. This home has served this family perfectly for over 30 years in such a rare opportunity. I'm Tim Latham from Ray White. I look forward to meeting you this Saturday.